Hello Huncho gang, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with another video for you guys. This is not really a how-to video, this is more like a experiment video, but today we will be making a hair mask again. Not like my first one that I did, but you know, this is just like a random, just throwing stuff together that sound good. I don't know what to call this. It's not like a recipe. It's just something that, oh, that sounds like it'll be healthy, you know, type situation. I'm just gonna throw it in a bowl, mix it together, slap it on my hair and see what happens. So today we're gonna try this rice water thing, but I'm gonna be putting it into a mask type thing. So I looked in my fridge and I got this like avocado. It's going bad, hopefully it's still in there. So we got an old avocado, which it's not too old, but it's not edible, I don't think. It's a lot of brown stuff in here. But you know, nobody's gonna eat it, so I'm just gonna throw that in a blender. I'm gonna need two for sure. I used one time. Usually when I make it, it's like barely enough for the last section, and my hair is pretty thick and dry right now, so it's gonna suck up everything. So I'm gonna take my ingredients out. I got my spoon, I got my bowl, cup. I don't know if we have any rice actually. If we don't have rice, we'll just make whatever. But let's see if we have rice. Well, I found some rice, but it's not that much. I only need 2 teaspoons of it. And we got some lime. It's been used, but I just need the skin. I found a smaller bowl. We're gonna just use that one. We're gonna make the rice water first. Well, I'm gonna make the rice water first, but in the meantime, I'm gonna take out my other ingredients so they can be at like room temperature, because when they're cold, they don't usually work. So I'm gonna go get my other ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna use 1 egg. Yeah, I might use 2 eggs. I might. My Greek yogurt. This Greek yogurt is pretty old, so I just use it for my hair. I don't eat it. Mayo. As you can see, this is a little jar and everybody uses this, so I'm just gonna use like a little bit of it. I like mayo better, but I seen that you can use Greek yogurt, so I only just recently started using Greek yogurt. So last time I made my mask that actually worked, I used flaxseed. So I'm probably gonna sprinkle a tiny bit of that in there, because I only have like the meal or like the grounded up kind. I don't have like the seed kind, and I don't really feel like doing all that right now. And we're just gonna make the rice water because I heard that works for other stuff. But my hair is dry and I need protein in it and moisture, and this stuff, mayo, actually works. I don't know why. There's already egg in it, but we're gonna put an extra egg in there. My hair likes eggs. It's weird. While we make it, we're just gonna let it sit out because it's really cold. And when it's cold, the coconut oil dries up and it gets all stiff, and it doesn't really sink into my hair pores or whatever it's called, my hair cuticles. I think that's the right word. I'm sure it's the right word. I have a diploma in cosmetology. But anyways, let me go get my coconut oil and I'll be back. Okay, so I got my coconut oil right here. This jar I use this jar for hair, and I use it to remove my makeup because I don't use makeup wipes anymore. It was so much easier to use makeup wipes, but you know, I don't do that and it makes my skin feel good after I take off my makeup. So I use coconut oil, and I keep this in my bathroom because I only use it for hair. I don't really cook with it. We have cooking coconut oil in there, but I use this for beauty. Now, while we leave this out, we're gonna start making the rice water, and I'm going to boil the rice water. So apparently I don't have to ferment it if I do it that way, and I don't really have time for that because I forgot to do it yesterday. So we're just gonna boil it. Okay, so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of rice. I don't know who's gonna eat this little tablespoon of rice. Hold on, let me see how much is left, because you know what, I'm just gonna use it all. Whatever. Nobody's gonna eat that little bit of rice. It's just gonna be sitting in there. I'm gonna rinse it off first. I'm gonna wash it, and then I'm going to put some water in it and let it sit for about a minute, and then I'm gonna boil it with some lime in it, and then I'll be done with that part. So let's get started with that. I'm just gonna wash it. That's what I'm doing. I'm rubbing them together in between my hands. Apparently that kind of like helps the nutrients or whatever come out. This is what it looks like. It's kind of foggy. It's not as foggy as when I rinsed it the first time. I'm not sure if all the good stuff kind of fell out. Hopefully not, but I'm sure there's a lot more in there. I'm just gonna let my pot heat up for a little bit, and that should take like about a minute. So while that heats up, I'm gonna let this sit right here. Well, actually, I'm just gonna pour it in there, and while it sits and heats up, that should be about a minute. Let my rice heat up a little bit. I'm not sure if you're supposed to put the rice in here, but if I'm messing it up, whatever, I'm sure it'll come out one way or another. guys, so what I'm gonna do is apply this to my hair, then I'm going to shower and shampoo it out and condition it, and I will show you how it feels. Like, I'll tell you how it feels, and I'll tell you if it really worked or did anything when I get out. Usually I'll leave it in for like 45 minutes, so I will be doing that because I like to let it sit on my hair so my hair can like drink up all the nutrients or eat or whatever it does. So I am going to do that now. So what I use for shampooing my hair, I love it so much. I cannot use any other products. Well, I haven't found any products that work for me, but this shampoo, this conditioner works magic on my hair. It does the job without actually drying my hair out. Like, what's that? The shampoo with the kangaroo and it's purple. I'm not gonna say its name because I don't remember, but it has a kangaroo and it's purple. It doesn't work. It usually dries my hair out. But the conditioner is really good though. I do like their conditioner. I'm not sure if it actually dries my hair out as well, but I know it makes my curls pop. But after I get out the shower, it's usually dry, but I'm not sure if that's the conditioner as well, but I know for sure that the shampoo does it. But this product leaves my hair shiny, leaves it soft, and it's just good. And you don't really need 2 washes depending on how dirty your hair is and how greasy it is. With using this, I might have to wash it twice, maybe 3 times, because I don't want any of this left in my hair, because my hair might smell because of the eggs and stuff in it and all that goodness. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this towel on the floor first so that I won't have to clean up a whole big mess later. I'm in my workout clothes, so I don't mind this getting dirty at all. I'm just gonna end up taking it off and washing it, but I don't want this to be like my regular clothes and it's stained or something. I'm missing something. I'm missing my clips. I'll be right back. I got 4 clips in my comb. This is what I use. The teeth haven't broken yet, but the little handle that was attached to it did break, unfortunately. I also got my Denman brush. Denman. However you pronounce it, I got it. I'm gonna part my hair into sections. I usually like to wet my hair. I don't have my spray bottle at the moment, and I don't think my mom has one. I don't think there's another one, so I'm just going to use this faucet right here and kind of make it work. But I'm gonna section my hair into 4 sections. I'm gonna section my hair into 4 sections and kind of work it through. Okay guys, I'm halfway through. And this is what it looks like. My hair is a lot healthier than I thought it was. Of course, the ends are still straight because I didn't cut those parts off yet. See, it stops here. If I were to cut that off, my hair would probably look a lot healthier. I have probably enough for one more section, but I'm gonna try to make it stretch because I used a lot in this one section and I probably didn't need to use that much, but this is what it looks like. These strands are a lot better. I think this part of my hair doesn't have any of that over processed hair, over like straightened, you know, but this one does, so it's kind of like weighing my curls down, and that's why it's not looking like this. And my hair hasn't looked like that in a while, so that's that. But I'm just going to finish and I'll come back when I am finished. Also, this is how much hair came out. This is not from the product. This is not from this. It's just because I don't really take care of my hair. And it dries up and it breaks. But you know, I keep my hair in a bun and I don't brush it. So this might be like daily shedding all in one. And then probably also like hair that's just breaking off. But this is a lot of hair for just one, like for half. And then I'll show you how much I have after I do the other half. But my hair is not as unhealthy as I thought it was. But you know, this just says I need to moisturize more. And if I don't, then I'll be holding all of my hair eventually. But it's not getting any shorter. I'm just losing a lot of hair. So it's not breaking like halfway through. Like it's not breaking like that. It's basically just coming out. Okay, so I am a mess, and the whole bathroom is a mess as well. So I have to wait 45 minutes to an hour. In the meantime, I'm just gonna clean up, and I'm gonna clean the kitchen. And during this time, if you were following me doing this, you can clean the kitchen too, because I know you didn't do it. Because I didn't do it, so I'm gonna clean the kitchen. I'm gonna clean the bathroom. And that should take about an hour, 40 minutes, whatever. I might watch TV if I'm done early. It might take about 30 minutes to clean up. So, before I go do that, this is how much hair I've lost in the process. This is not because of, this is not because of the mask. This is because I don't treat my hair right. And this is what happens when you don't treat your hair right. So, it feels soft actually. But yeah, that's what I lost. And this is a lot more hair than I've lost, like, ever actually, because I don't usually lose this much hair. But you know, my hair has been worse lately. Like, like it's been dry oddly and curling up weird, like super hard to comb out. Like that was just today, and for the past like week since the last time I washed my hair, it was like that. Probably because I didn't like tie it up. I just let it dry, like air dry, and then put it into a bun and didn't comb it out. So that's probably why. But yeah, I will come back after I shampoo my hair, and I'll tell you what my results are. This is the final product. Not bad. Still a little bit curled in there. My hair is soft. Excuse me guys, I'm getting over a cold. Yeah, but curls are soft, and I really hope that I don't have any of that stuff still left in my hair. But as far as I can see, I don't really see anything so far. But it's still really dry back here, but really curly. I think I rinsed that part out the most, but it's soft up here. You can see like the straight pieces that I need to cut off. It's not that long anymore, but I still don't want to cut it off because look how much, like, yeah, I would have a bob. I would have a bob, like it would be short in the front and then long in the back if I cut those pieces off. And it would be like lopsided and stuff, because it's really only on one side of my head, like just the front, but everywhere else it came off on its own. So I'm just gonna keep getting trims. I don't really get trims that often, and I should. I'm gonna just do that. But it was a pretty cool mask. I need to condition a lot more, but one thing I can say is it definitely gets the tangles out real good. And yeah. So these are the results. Shiny. A lot of hair came out, but I mean that's just because my hair is like that. That concludes this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.